AirPods Pro and AirPods 2. Which one you should go with? What's up everyone? Today we are going to highlight some of the differences between these two AirPods and decide which one is better for you. Let's see. So let's start with the pricing. The AirPods Pro comes around 249 bucks, while the AirPods 2 wireless charging is like 199 bucks. And then finally the AirPods 2 without wireless charging is 149 bucks. One tip here, I've been using the AirPods 2 wireless charging for around 1 year and haven't been in a situation where I use the wireless charging itself. So consider that. Anyways, enough with the pricing, now let's talk about the design. The AirPods Pro comes shorter and a bit thinner, while the AirPods 2 is like taller. But the main difference is that the AirPods Pro comes with customizable tips, in fact with 3 different sizes, small, medium and large. Alright, let's talk about the sound quality. And it's pretty straightforward, as the AirPods Pro sounds better. Besides, you also have the active noise cancellation, which basically blocks any unwanted background noise. With that being said, the AirPods 2 sounds good as well. I mean, I've been using it for around 1 year, and never had issues with the sound quality at all. It's very loud, clear and smooth. In fact, I personally prefer these guys over the Pro one, as I'm not very comfortable using the plastic tips for long hours, and they do not fit into my ears at all. Alright, one more point to the Pro, which is the control, as it comes with 4 different control sensors, and you need to tap here to make the control, while in the 2, you tap here. One last thing, they both work well against water. And that's it for today. Consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed watching my video. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.